Hi. Okay, so basically the other day, yes, I'm in my bathroom and yes, that is my toilet. I wanted to get like a little earring cuff because I only have 3 holes and I currently want 4. I'm gonna be giving you a tutorial on how to make that. I really like it. I hope you enjoy. Love you. Hey, welcome. Thank you for joining me on this little trip to make my earring cuff thing. Anyways, what you're gonna need to make this little craft here is, I think this is 20 gauge. This is the brand I use. It's from Amazon. Pliers. I am using the like rounded ones. You're going to need 38 millimeter. You're gonna need thinner wire. I'm so bad at describing things. Oh my god, it's like, okay, like the thin one versus the thick one. That's the difference. Okay, thank you. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna grab my wire cutters. You need those too, I guess. And cut a piece of wire. This big, I guess, from your shoulder to your neck or whatever. Whatever you wanna do, just get a piece of wire. So what I'm gonna do is put my pliers right in the middle, push it away from me until I get this. I'm going to cut it so it's even. Go about 1 inch down from the top and you're gonna just go like that. Same on the other side. So it's going to look like this. Fold this up and then fold this up as well. So it looks like a little W. And now once you're about here, I'm going to go about halfway again from here to here and fold it like this, and then do the exact same on the other side. Do not make it uneven like that. That is so bad. So once you have this, you're going to kind of try to make a circle. Like, see, I'm like molding it. This is gonna be the top wing. So I'm just kind of like bending it to be a circle, like this. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. You're bending it up from where you just folded it. And now you have this. Well, technically step 4, but anyways. Grab the bottom of the wire, the bottom of where I just folded it, this part. Curl this up. I'm making like a little circle. Like that. I'm building the bottom wing. Should look like this, but better. I do that with this side too. It looks like this. What I'm gonna do now is kind of push it tight, like just kind of push it together. Cut a piece of the thinnest wire. It doesn't really matter how long you cut it. Put the wire in between the two, in between the top and the bottom wing. So like, it's in between. And I'm gonna do that on both sides. In between, twisting it around the whole thing, around the top and the bottom wing. And you want it to be like pretty secure. Or once I've tightened it as much as I can, I'm going to cut the wire. So you're gonna wanna cut the wire right in the middle of where you just wrapped it. You want it to be on the opposite side of, that made 0 sense. Anyways, flatten it down so it looks like this. Grab the circle pliers and grab this top bit right here. That's like the top of the butterfly. Curl it like away from you. And then I'm going to flip it. Curl the other 2 in. Those are gonna be the other side of your ear. So it looks like this. I hope you enjoyed my terrible tutorial. I'm not very good at explaining things. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. There we go. Anyways, have a good day. Bye.